Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and it's time to do a regular maintenance on my first gen Cummins. I'll be doing the oil change, and I'm also going to be changing the rear differential oil as well. And for the oil change, I would like to show you this cool product which I got like a few months back. It's called like spill free kit, and if you are like me who wants to do the oil change at home, I recommend this product. Let me show you. So this product comes with this plug which replaces your original drain plug. So you take that out, put this in, and it also comes with this extension with pipe. So when you are about to change the oil, you just take this cap off and screw this other extension with pipe on it. And just as you screw it on, the oil is gonna start coming down. How easy is that? That's it. No spill, no nothing. It's easy setup. And I bought it from the Cummins dealer. They make it for all kinds of Cummins. This plug also have a magnetic end to catch all the metallic debris if it comes in the oil pan, so that's a good thing too. They don't pay me to promote this product, it's just that I went to the dealer for the oil, and I saw this there and I thought, okay, let's give it a try, and I totally recommend it. It's a good setup. Okay, I'm gonna start with changing the differential. It's 15 mm bolts, and let's do it. The oil seems really dirty, so it was probably a time to do an oil change. Okay, we will let it drain, and we are gonna go and clean this cap. I also noticed that there is like lots of oil still sitting here, so I am gonna take a paper towel and just scoop it out. Okay, I got all the oil which was sitting here out, and cleaned the mating surface. For the gasket, I'm using this red high temp RTV. I'm also gonna put a light bead on the differential as well, just for extra protection. And for now I'm only gonna snug these bolts and let it cure for an hour and then come back and properly torque them. Okay, it's been about an hour, so I'm gonna tighten those bolts and put the oil in. This is what I'm using: Castrol Axle Limited Slip 80W90. Okay, this is filled up, and the 3 bottles were just perfect to get it up to the top. And after this point it's just spilling out, so I'm just gonna put the drain plug back in, and that's it for changing the differential oil.